Today we will discuss about the mirror equation. So, what is a mirror equation? That we will see. It is a relationship between focal length and the distances. Okay. So, for this, we'll take a concave mirror. Okay. Here the object is placed. It's a parallel beam of light. This point is your focus. This is pole, and let us say C point is somewhere here, and it is like this. So this ray is like this, reflected ray is like this. This is the incident ray, this is the reflected ray. Ray 1, ray 2, they are cutting here. So this is your image formation. You can take another ray, passing through the pole, it will reflect and it will go like this. By the way, for the formation of image, you need only 2 rays. For confirmation, 3 rays. Okay. So this is the object. Let us say this point is M. This is the pole. This is the focus. Object is AB. Image is A dash, B dash. You can see here that it's a converging length. It's a converging mirror, and image is inverted. It is diminished. Okay. So A to P is the object distance. AP is the object distance, denoted by U. This is the standard notation. Now here please note the point that this MP is almost a straight line, because we are assuming that the aperture is very small. Okay. So if I drop a perpendicular here, it is almost, it's a very small thing, you know. So when you drop a perpendicular also, it's very close. For exaggerated purpose we have drawn a bigger figure, but for practical purpose you can consider MP to be a straight line. So in that situation what happens is AB is equal to MP. Okay. Now B dash P is called image distance, and it is denoted by V. And you have another PF, it is called focal length, denoted by F. So these are standard notations. Now observe here, incident ray is left to right, and all these distances are measured from pole. That is the definition. So object distance is measured from the pole. You are measuring in the opposite direction. So yeah, in this situation you have to call this negative. Even image distance you are measuring in the opposite direction, it is negative. Even the focal length also is negative, as per our standard sign convention. Now we are trying to establish a relationship between these two. So for this we'll take 2 triangles, A dash, B dash, F, and M, P. We will call it as M. This is almost a straight line, as I told you. M, P, F. You can see here that this is a right angle. So this is also a right angle. This angle and this angle are opposite angles, so they are equal. obviously the third angle also will be equal. You can say that these two triangles are similar in nature. So the ratios will be proportional. So we need to take the corresponding sides. A dash B dash divided by MP is equal to B dash F divided by PF, and the third one also we can have A dash F is equal to MF. Whether we are going to use it or not, that's a different thing. So this is what is we have. Now AB is equal to MP, so this can be written as A dash B dash divided by AB is equal to B dash F divided by PF. Okay? Yeah. Now, if you see this triangle ABP and A dash B dash P, we know that a ray that passes through P reflects with the same angle. So A angle APB will be equal to angle B dash PA dash. Okay, so this angle will be equal to this angle, let us say theta. Already this angle and this angle are 90 degrees. So here also the third angle will be equal. Two angles of a triangle are equal means third angle also will be equal. Again there is a situation that these two triangles are similar. So here also you will be getting A dash B dash by AB is equal to B dash P divided by BP. You have to take in the same order. Okay, so you can see here this is like equation 1 and this is your equation 2. So these two are again equal. B dash we can write here from equation 1 and 2. What did we get? It is B dash F divided by PF is equal to B dash P divided by BP. Now we need to convert the things into the parameters we know. If you look at B dash P and B dash F, if you see B dash F, what is B dash F? B dash F is equal to BP minus PF, isn't it? B dash F is equal to this B dash P minus PF, but B dash P is the image distance, so it is equal to minus V. Okay, minus what is PF? PF is minus F as per our sign convention, so this becomes minus V plus F. Alright, so B dash F we have calculated. PF is already minus F. Okay, now B dash P. B dash P is, we already know, it is image distance, and BP. See, B dash P, wait a minute, here we have taken ABP. We have to be little careful over here. It is ABP and we have taken, we should not write ABP here, we should write BAP. Why? Because angle A and angle B dash are 90 degrees. Here we have done little, so yeah, because you see this angle is equal to this angle, this angle is equal to this angle, and this top angle will be equal to this angle. So we should have written BAP and A dash P. So let us again check. So A dash B divided by BA or AB, it is okay. B dash P divided by, you got BP. B dash P will be divided by AP. Here you should get AP. Okay. AP. What is AP? AP is the object distance. We can directly put the values now. So B dash F is equal to, we have calculated, it is minus V plus F divided by PF. PF is our focal length with a minus sign, is equal to, now we want B dash P. B dash P is our minus V divided by, B dash P is minus V, and BP. So this is not BP, this is AP. AP is U with a minus sign. So this is what we have finally got. So obviously this will become minus V plus F divided by minus F is equal to V by U. So divide by F, you get V by F minus 1 is equal to V by U. Okay, and you can write here, you can take one that side. Yeah, so V by F is equal to 1 plus V by U. Okay, this one I have taken on the other side. So divide both sides with V, you get 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. So this is the mirror equation. Okay, and you have to note a very important point, that you have to take the sign conventions very correctly whenever you use this equation, because we have derived this equation after using our sign conventions. Okay, so this is the mirror equation for concave, and for convex also you will derive, you get the same equation. Okay, so this is one part. Now here let us say AB, which is the object height, I will call it as H, and similarly A dash B dash is the image height, let us say it is H dash. If you follow the sign convention, yesterday we have seen that AB will be positive because it is above we are taking, so this will be positive, and because we are taking down, this will be negative sign convention. So magnification factor M, magnification factor M is defined as height of image divided by height of object. Here height of image is coming minus, right? Height of image divided by height of object. So this is one definition of magnification factor. So can we bring in one expression here? So if you see the triangles A dash B dash, we have already written over here, BAP is similar to A dash B dash P, right? So A dash B dash divided by BA is equal to, let us convert this into the known terms, B dash P divided by AP, right? Now A dash B dash by BA, A dash B dash is H dash divided by H is equal to B dash P. B dash P is the image distance, which is minus V, and AP is the object distance, which is minus U. So it is V by U. H dash by H is V by U. So minus H dash by H will be minus V by U. This is the expression for magnification factor. Okay, So magnification factor can be calculated by object distance by image distance divided by the object distance, or image height divided by the object height. And mind you, you should use the proper sign convention. Thank you.